Vitamin B12 is essential for several critical bodily functions, including 1. Red blood cell formation. B12 helps in the production of red blood cells, which carry oxygen throughout the body. Without enough B12, red blood cells can become large and misshapen, leading to a condition called megaloblastic anemia. 2. Nervous system health. It is vital for maintaining the health of nerve cells and creating myelin, the protective sheath around nerves. A deficiency can lead to neurological issues such as numbness, tingling, memory loss, and even difficulty walking. 3. DNA synthesis. B12 plays a key role in DNA production, which is essential for cell division and overall body growth. 4. Energy production. It helps convert food into glucose, which is used for energy. A deficiency can lead to fatigue and weakness. 5. Brain function. Adequate levels of B12 are linked to maintaining cognitive function and may help reduce the risk of neurodegenerative diseases like dementia. Vitamin B12 is primarily found in animal products, so individuals on vegetarian or vegan diets may need supplementation or fortified foods to meet their daily needs.